In this picture, you can see I have created a string str equals to India here. Then str plus Pakistan I said. I mean I am appending plus operator acts as a concatenation operator in Java. So I am appending concatenating Pakistan to India. Okay. So the thing is strings are actually immutable. It means they cannot be changed. So here when I create string str equals to India, what happens in the JVM is you can see here India. This is the string object. And this object is being mapped with a remote control STR. Can you identify here? Got it? STR is mapping to India. Now, when I make a concatenation to STR plus Pakistan, what happens is this Pakistan is not going to be adding to this India object. The reason is strings are immutable. So, a new string object is created with India and Pakistan. Got it? Hello?
Yes. Yes, yes.
So, as strings are immutable, the current string that is India will not be added with this Pakistan message that is string. Instead, a new object India Pakistan would be created. This is what. Then I say string str2 equals to India. Look here, string str2 equals to India. So in this case, what happens is here you can see, here you can see uh, this declaration string str2 equals to India. It should go like this: India, India, and assume this red remote control as str2, and this is mapping to India. But the thing is here JVM is not going to create a new string India for this str2 equals to India. Instead, what happens is JVM maintains a string constant pool in it. So what this pool contains is this pool contains all the existing string objects. So when you create a string str2 equals to India, the JVM will look, is there any object India in the pool? We already have that, right? Here, we already have this. So in that case, what happens is this str2 new remote control is created and it maps to the same India object. And if you observe over there, STR remote control and STR2 remote control both are mapping to the same object. Got it?
Yes.
Right. So in this case, when I compare this STR remote control and STR2 remote control with the double equals operator. Look here, double equals comparison here, string comparison with the double equals. So here, double equals. Let me take a pointer so that it is easy to understand. I will highlight it. Yes, yes. This comparison you can see this comparison, particularly second comparison. STR double equals STR2. So if I say the double equals comparison actually looks into the remote controls. Are those two remote controls mapping to the same object? Yes, right? So these two STR and STR2 remote controls are mapping to the same object. So in that case, my STR comparison with STR2 will results to true. Got it? Are you able to follow?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now let me write the same example program. I create a class, new class, string demo. my method. So I am creating a string str, string str equals to its value is India. Done. Now I say string str, is that str1 or str2? It is str and str2. str and str2. So let me go str2 equals to India. This is what I declared, right? Now I am comparing. So compare using double equals. If so, I am comparing here str double equals str2. If both are equal, then I am just displaying equals. System.out.println equals. So I write equals using double equals comparison. Else not equals. Not equals using double equals comparison. So what should be the result when I execute this? Both remote controls, are they mapping to the same object? Yes or no? Look at
Yes.
my image. Yes, right? So let me execute this. Yes, you can see equals using double equals comparison. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let us get into second comparison. Yes. So the second way of comparison. The thing is a string str3 equals to new string. So the traditional way of creating the object. We have been using the new operator to create the object, right? Rectangle, rect object equals to new rectangle. So here this is the similar way. String str3 equals to new string. So here string has a constructor and I am passing a string as the argument. So WORLD world is the object. So what happens here? String str3. Look here. Let me take the highlighter. Yes, this thing. Can you see here? A world object is created and str3 remote control is being mapped to that world object. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, look here. My next message, I mean next instruction, string str4 equals to new string hello. So in that case, hello object is created. Hello object is created and str4 remote control is being mapped to that hello object. Right? Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now observe. My next instruction is string str5 equals to new string world. I just told you that when JVM is going to create an object, it will check whether such object is existing or not in its constant pool, right? So world object we have already created right here. STR3 remote control is mapping to world object, right?
Mm-hmm.
STR5 should map to the same world object, right? With my previous conversation, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Agree? I told you here in the previous conversation, I told you that when JVM is going to create a string object, it will check whether such object is existing in the heap memory or not. If it is existing, it will map to the same object. So STR and STR2 remote controls were mapping to same India object, right? As per that
Yeah.
conversation, STR5 should map to world object, right?
Mm-hmm.
but it will not happen. The reason is I am using the second way of creating the string object using new operator over there. So new operator always tell JVM, please give me a new memory area irrespective of whether the object existing in the heap memory or not. I want a new memory area. I am demanding a new memory area for my object. So the world object is created with a new remote control STR5 being mapped to. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So with a new keyword, it means you are telling JVM, hey JVM, please, I want a new memory area whether the world object is existing or not. So STR5 new remote control is created and it will be mapping to world object. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Now observe here. The string comparison using double equals method. Double equals method. Look there, STR4 and STR3 remote controls I am comparing. STR4 and STR3. STR4, STR4 and STR3. Observe, are those two remote controls mapping to the same object? Yes or no? STR4 and STR3.
No.
No. So if I print, then it has to give false, right?
Yeah.
So what I'll do is STR4. Let me create STR4 and STR3. My STR4, this comparison, the STR3. Okay, I'll do this. String str3 equals to new string, and here I gave str3 world and str4 as hello. Okay, str. Okay, copy this and str4 as hello. Okay, look there, I created these two. Then I'll copy this comparison and I'll modify accordingly. I am comparing str3 and str4 now. str3 and str4. Now this time when I save and execute, the second line should be okay. I modified this control set. Here str3 and str4. Yes, second line should be not equals. Right? Got it?
Yeah.
Fine. Then let me proceed. Double equals method. So what is the double equals method comparison is? So before getting into a double equals method, I have to introduce java.lang.object to you. So I'll write here java.lang.object. I believe I already have that. Let me. So, okay, that should be, but somewhere I missed. Let me write here. So java.lang.object. So this is the supermost object present in the Java API. Supermost object. The thing is, whenever you are creating any class, rectangle class, triangle class, test drive class, whatever, all the classes which you are created by you are by default descendants of this java.lang.object. So every class in Java is inherited from this object. And let me show you that object in Java API. So I have Java API here. Java 7 API, I have a copy. Let me open this. So here, this is the API. This is the API. And of course, this is, you can download this from Google. Yes, Java. Here, these are the packages available in Java. All packages. Java.lang package. Yes, Java.lang package. And this package has interfaces and classes. So let me take you to class object, java.lang.object. Look here, there is a class object. So class object is in package java.lang package, and it has methods like equals method. So this equals method is used to compare two objects. If two objects are equal, then it returns true. If two objects are not equal, then it returns false. Similarly, there are other methods like a hash code method. Hash code method will return an unique hash code representing the object in the heap memory area. It is something like equals to our Aadhaar number in India. So every citizen has unique Aadhaar number, right? So similarly, social security number in US, every citizen has social security number. So IC number we call it as. Similarly, every object has a unique hash code. Sorry. That hash code is generated by this method. And there are other methods like toString method. ToString method is generally used to represent a textual meaning for an object. I will execute a sample using this toString method soon. And there are methods like wait, then notify all. These three methods belonging to thread communication. So these methods are used over there in thread communication. So these are the methods that are present in java.lang.object, and we will be regularly using equals method, hash code, and toString method. So for now, this equals method so is used to compare two objects and returns a boolean value. If two objects are equal, then it returns true. If two objects are unequal, then it returns false. So when I am coming back to my program, my class, this string demo is also extending java.lang object. The thing is, if you write here java.lang.object, still it is meaningful. Whether you write or not, your classes are by default descendants of java.lang.object class. Even our string class also. String class also is descendant of java.lang.object. Let me show you that. So java.lang.string class. Yes, this is my string class. My string class, you can see here string. Just above it, there is java.lang.object. It means that java.lang.object is the parent of string class. Now, I'm comparing STR5 and STR4. So what is STR5 world, WORLD world, and STR4. So let me highlight these two things. Look here. Equals method is used to compare the contents present in the string. If the contents are equal, then it returns true. Look here, STR4 and STR5, the contents are, for STR4 the content is hello and STR5 the contents are world. Are hello and world equal? Yes or no?
No.
No. So it returns false. So let me create STR5. STR5. So STR5 equals to, I think, new string, right? STR5 new string world. Okay. So I am using equals method. So I'll just copy this and make changes accordingly. So here I will label compare using equals method and str5 and str4 I'm comparing. So str5. So how do we compare is by using str5 dot equals str, and here I'll write using equals and here equals. So the third message also not equals, it should be not equals, right? Clear?
Yeah.
Now my next comparison is str5 and str3. So if you uh, str5 and str3, str5 world and str3 world. You can see world and world, of course, equal, right? Contents.
Contents are equal.
Yeah, contents. So when I do this, I will copy the program, paste here, looking for contents. So str5 and str3, str5 and str3. So the last message should be equals, right? Clear? Got it? So
Yeah.
the same comparison, if you want, you can go with str and str2 as well. Str and str2. So what I'll do is I'll copy this. Over there also, I mean the first way of comparison, I mean the first style of creating the object, str and str2. So the last message also, of course, str and str2. Look here, str and str2. The contents are equal, right? India, India.
Yeah.
So the last message also should be true, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
So that is two ways of comparing objects using double equals method and equals method present in java.lang.object. Our string class is inheriting equals method from java.lang.object, and actually the equals method present in string class is overridden and it is giving a behavior where it is looking for contents present in the string object and comparing the contents. Clear?
Yes.
Fine. Then I believe Mehboob has not joined, right?
Not yet.
It's okay. The thing is, I'm going to wind up the session because I'm late to my office. Tomorrow we shall meet and we shall continue writing some samples using the string class And today morning, was there any confusion in joining the link, or
I from
or
my side, no.
you were late by 10 minutes?
Yeah. So
Then
I use the new link. Yeah.
okay, okay. When did you use the old link?
No.
Okay, fine, fine. So because I have been waiting from an exact time, I thought
Okay.
you
Okay.
on the
We are
confusion with
busy
the
actually.
new link.
Oh no no no.
Then it's
Oh
okay.
no no no.
No problem, no problem. If you are late, it's
Okay.
okay. I thought if there is a confusion, let's
Okay.
clear the confusion of that link. That's it.
Oh sure. Sure sure sure. Yeah.
Fine then. I'll share these
Okay.
videos
Yeah.
with you. Then we shall continue tomorrow the
Okay.
same time. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
then. See
Bye,
you
Ahmed.
tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.